Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.22.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 34 through 36 from our English course American English Conversations 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So, we have part 1. You need to read the dialogues below in English. So there are 3 dialogues. Then translate them and read them in your primary language using the translator here. Okay? So let's read the dialogues in English together. Dialogue 34, Planning a Business Trip. When shall I say that you will arrive? Tell them that I plan to be there by tomorrow afternoon. Shall I have them make a hotel reservation for you? No need. I made one last week by telephone. Do you plan to stay longer than 3 days? I don't think so. I can take care of all the necessary business in 3 days. Well, have a good trip. Thank you. And here's dialogue 35, a short discussion. Don't forget, Jim and Adrian are coming over tonight. I thought they were coming next week. No, tonight's the night. I told you at least a half a dozen times. Well, I forgot. You forget all too easily if you ask me. Anyway, I've made other plans. Like what? I told Frank I'd help him work on his car. Then you'll just have to tell him you can't come. And here is dialogue 36, Family Squabble. Come on, it's time to go. Wait a minute. Just hold your horses. What's your hurry anyway? Well, I've got to stop and get gas in the car first. That won't take long. Well, it won't if there's no line at the pump. Well, I'm not quite ready. I'll give you 5 more minutes, then I'm going on without you. You wouldn't do a thing like that. Oh, yes, I would. All right, students, so you read the 3 dialogues. And now you need to translate it into your primary language. Let's say that Malay is your primary language. So you click on that. And you read the dialogues in the primary language. Then you click on the American flag. Go back to English. And we do part 2, which is very important. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So this video is going to help you improve your pronunciation, listening comprehension, and comfort in speaking with others in public. So please do this 2 or 3 times at least, okay? And after you finish, you can tell us what you've learned. You can write what you've learned here. Add your name, add your email, and post comment, and I will respond to you. Thank you very much for working so hard on lesson 1.22.3. Do your best, please.